In this video, I'm breaking down whether you can leave synthetic roof underlayment out in the rain while you wait to get your shingles on. Alright, so here's the deal with synthetic underlayment and rain. You can actually install it on a wet deck without stressing too much, and it's totally okay if it gets rained on afterward. This stuff is way tougher than felt paper, like a premium tarp that's designed to keep your roof safe during those in-between days before the shingles go on. But heads up, if you're working with self-adhered underlayment, the deck underneath needs to be dry before you slap it down because the adhesive won't stick properly on moisture. Once it's down, rain won't hurt it, but that initial stick is key. Also, when you're nailing it in, go for plastic cap nails or hand-driven roofing nails instead of a nail gun. Nail guns can poke tiny holes through the underlayment, which might cause leaks later on, so take your time and hammer those nails by hand for a better seal. If you want to avoid tarp headaches and extra hassle, just trust the synthetic underlayment to hold up through a couple days of rain. It's what new construction crews do all the time during winter storms. So yeah, no need to rush the shingling just because of some rain. Your underlayment's got your back. One of the biggest mistakes I see folks make with synthetic roof underlayment is using a nail gun instead of hand-driven nails, which can cause leaks because of punctures. Another common slip-up is trying to install self-adhered underlayment on a wet deck. Don't do that because it won't stick properly and could peel off. Lastly, some people assume the underlayment replaces all weather protection and don't check that seams are properly overlapped. Always make sure you follow manufacturer guidelines for overlapping and sealing to keep water out. Fixing these mistakes is pretty straightforward. Switch to hand nailing, wait for a dry deck with self-adhered products, and double-check your overlaps and sealant application. These small tweaks save you big headaches down the road. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're looking to connect with trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to roofing and other home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great platform to find work and grow your business with homeowners actively searching for skilled pros in their area.